Hello, today I'm going to test triple supertrend strategy from the channel Trade Pro. Okay, I'm going to manually test this 100 times to see if if it's profitable. So first you need 550 exponential moving average. Okay, I think his original strategy is 200 EMA, and he made another video where he used a backtest script, and he used this 550 EMA. And then you need a stochastic RSI, okay, 2080 default settings. And all of the indicator, I'll give you the link down below. And then you need a super trend. Okay. Okay, so this is the setting, 12.3. Okay, 12.3. This. Okay. And this 10.1. All right. So, and then you use ATR indicator. I use this the nonsense ATR. So the multiplier is the stop loss is 2.7 times ATR, and the take profit is 1.6 times 2.7, which is 4.32. So it's 1.6 to 1 risk reward. Okay, and yeah, so all the link for the indicator is down below. So for buy, yeah, you need this stochastic RSI to go to below 20, and then it crossed up. Okay, both of them have to go below 20 and cross up, and price is above the EMA, and you need at least 2 of the super trend to be green. Okay, so in this case we have 2 green and 1 red. So this is a buy. So we just click on the candle. Okay, sorry. You click on the candle. Okay, so this is the stop loss and this TP. Okay, you look here. So I'm gonna enter now. So I'm gonna risk 2%, and buy. Okay, we got that one. Okay, here we cannot enter because two of them is red. Yeah. Let's skip this. Okay, sorry. Do we have this? No, we need 2 red. Okay, here. It's a valid signal. Okay, 3 red. It's above 80 and cross down. So sorry. So you sell. Just click 23. Okay, we didn't get that. We did not get that one. So did we have a signal here? Oh yeah, sorry, we have a signal here. Yeah, so price above the EMA, and 3 of this super trend is green, so we can enter. Okay, cross up. So we enter here. Okay, get stopped out. And okay, we cannot enter here because 3 of them is green. Okay. No, it's already too late. Okay, here it's a valid entry. So we buy here. Okay, stopped out. Uh, okay, I think it's crossed down here. Yeah, so we can sell here. Price below the EMA and 3 of the supertrend is red. Okay, we got it. It's valid entry here. Here. Sell here. Okay, stopped out. Okay, enter here. Okay, stopped out again. So, okay, so, nope, we cannot enter here. Okay, it crossed down, but the orange line doesn't go above 80. So I'm not sure if this is considered a valid entry according to Trade Pro. So in my backtest, I only take trade when both of the line is above 80, and then it crossed down. Okay. Okay. So we cannot enter; it's too late. Again, I'm not sure if I follow this strategy correctly according to Trade Pro. Okay. Here we can enter. Okay, 3 of them red, and okay, we enter here. Okay, got it. It's weekend, so okay, we can enter here. Okay, it's difficult to see. Okay, price below the. You're looking for sell actually. Let's give this. Okay, we have a signal here. Nope. No, we don't have. Okay, sell here. Okay, we got it. Sell here. Sorry. Sell. Okay, he's got stopped out. Okay, it's very difficult to see. Okay, we have stopped out, and then we have a sell signal because two of them is red. Um, okay, so we are in profit. So I'm going to test this 100 times, okay, and we'll see if this is profitable. Okay. Okay, so this is the result of 100 tests. So it's Euro USD 30-minute charts from 6 January 2020 until 6 November. So it almost took a year to for 100 trade. Okay, so this we have 46 win and 54 loss trade. Okay, so that's 46 percent win rate, and I was expecting like maybe 55% win rate, you know. So to me, this is not that good, but you're still profitable though. We made so this is $10,000 account. I risked 2%, so we made 3,700. So yeah, so you still make money though. But I was expecting like more than 50 win, and so this is a max consecutive win 4 and max consecutive loss 6. And I mean, yeah, that's this is the graph, okay. And when I was backtesting this, it's the market is very trendy, and it's not performed as good as I was expecting it to be. And you know, 46 win, you can easily get this using 2-to-1 um, risk reward. You know, if the strategy is good, you can easily get 46 win rates. This one is 1.6 to 1. Okay, so I was expecting more than 50. And so yeah, I think he used a backtest script, so you have to be careful with that because it's very backtest script with adjustable variable is very good at curve fitting. You know, just because it's profitable now, because doesn't mean it will be profitable in the future because you are backtesting past data. Okay, and I think it's the reason supertrend is so popular. This triple supertrend is so popular is because it looks very nice. You know, you have this 3 supertrend instead of 1. It looks very fancy, and most newbie think, you know, the more indicator you use, the better it is. But you can simply replace this 3 indicator with just 1 trend indicator. Okay, so it's easier to see. And yeah, I'm going to make more video about this triple super trend. Although I know it sucks, and maybe with my own twist, because the problem is if you're a new channel, you cannot make original idea because people don't care. You only make video about something that's already trending, you know, something that's already popular, something that other big YouTuber already make. So yeah, I'm going to make more videos about this super trend and maybe add my own twist. Yeah, so if you like the video, please subscribe and, you know, comment down below to help the channel a bit. Yeah, so have a good day.